What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you are watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Today's video is all about DIY dark neck and underarm remedy. This pack is generally used to lighten and brighten the skin tone, and also it helps in reducing the pigmentation and make your neck skin glowing. To make this pack, you need 4 ingredients from your kitchen. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Take 1 teaspoon gram flour or basin, baking soda 1 teaspoon, pinch of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of water. Mix and make a paste. Apply on neck and underarm for 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. Do this at least twice a week for best results.
Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more DIY tips. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep smiling.